as we are asking people to do the activity upstream, going out of the ERP to start doing upstream, what we have noticed is that some of the information that they need to define when you go from on a plant level, right? There are a lot of information from a manufacturing point of view that you need to capture. So what we have done is to extend our part definition to allow them to those departments that work on the plant level to interact with the parts and augment the part with the information that are specific to the plant. So this is very key. And the other thing that we uniquely did in Windchill was to not only think from a manufacturing engineering point of view, but from a preparation of the production. So we bring in all the other departments that are impacting the time to production. Personas like logistics, supplier, all those we now have the ability to define those data, extending the definition of the part with their own data so that everything is concurrent. This part has been designed. Does it make sense to produce it internally, or can we purchase it? Because it's easier to, or it's more cheaper to have it purchased from another supplier. That information, you may want to do it while the product is still designed. You don't have to wait until it's finished. That information is actually need to be recorded against the part that the design is doing to that plant specific. And for one plant, it could be different to the other. The goal is to shrink the time to the what you call production ramp up, is to bring those other roles in Windchill. Okay, now let's have the logistic guy, let's have the purchaser interacting with the design part. The best practice, let them do that. Now, we also have heavily invest in the ability to interact with some other system against those particular plant data information. So you are able to update them or read them easily from the system. And we did that because a person like logistic, they may have their own tool that they use today. It may not be practical to bring them in them another tool, so we allow our system, we open up so that they can still use their tool and then read that information and update that information easily from the existing tool.